Hello. So today in this session we are going to see the sub question number 3 and 4 of question number 4 exercise 8.4. So what is the question number 3? Question number 3 is secA plus tanA bracket 1 minus sinA is equals to, and we are given with the 4 options. So again we will do the same thing that we have done in the last sum. So first we will simplify this. So it is secA plus tanA and 1 minus sinA. What we will do here is we will write secA in terms of cosA, tanA in terms of sinA and cosA, and we have already here is 1 minus sinA. So what is secA? Can I write in the place of secA? I can write 1 upon cosA. We have already studied this identity that secA is 1 upon cosA plus. What is tanA? tanA is sinA upon cos A. So we got 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A, and this is already in terms of sin A, so 1 minus sin A. Now the denominators are same, so cos A, so numerator will get added, so 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So in the denominator there is 1 here. So now we are getting that 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin A. That is in the format of A plus B, A minus B. And we know the identity A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. So it will be A here is 1, so 1 square minus B square. So B square, that is sin, so it will be sin square A divided by cos A. Now 1 square is nothing but 1 minus sin square A divided by cos A. Now, what is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A divided by cos A. Because we have already studied the identity that since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, so therefore cos square theta is nothing but equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of 1 minus sin square A, I can write cos square A divided by cos A. So one time cos will get cancelled, so we will get cos A. So the final will get equals to cos A. So option D is the correct one, that is cos A. So this is how we can solve the question number 3. Now we will see the question number 4. Now sub question number 4, it's 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equals to dash, and we are given with the option. Option A is sec square A, option B is minus 1, option C is cot square A, and option D is given as tan square A. So it's tan square A. So now again we'll solve this, we'll simplify this. Now it is given that 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. So we have already seen that identity that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So in the place of tan square A, 1 plus tan square A, I can write sec square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is nothing but cosec square A. So we have already seen that identity. So 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. So here in terms of A. Now we'll simplify this. Sec in terms of, I can write sec in terms of cos. I can write this as 1 upon cos square A divided by cosec. Cosec is nothing but reciprocal of sin, so I can write 1 upon sin square A. Since we know that sec theta is 1 upon cos theta and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Now, so 1 upon cos square A, this will get reciprocal, so sin square A divided by 1. So 1 into sin square A, that is sin square A upon cos square A. Now what is sin square A upon cos square A? It is nothing but tan square A, because we know that sin upon cos is nothing but tan theta. So sin square A upon cos square A will be tan square A. So the correct option is D here, that is tan square A. So this is how we can solve the question number 4. So in question number 4 there were 4 sub questions. It was MCQ type questions. So in the next session we are going to see the question number 5. In that we have to prove certain identities. So till then practice all the sums from 1 to 4 and we'll see in the next sums in the next session. Till then all the best. Thank you.